What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Saint-Say here, back with the third vlog in Ireland. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the intro for this vlog, so we are currently in Brussels. So stay tuned for the Brussels vlog. It will be a good one as well. This one is a little bit shorter as we didn't do too much, but we still saw a lot. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned for the second part of the vlog as we go to the Cliffs of Moher, and it was absolutely stunning. And make sure you guys do leave a like and subscribe, as we still have 11 more countries to go visit with over 15 different stops. So make sure you guys do subscribe. We appreciate every single one of you. The first vlog in London is popping off, so we do appreciate that. Also follow our TikTok, and Morgan is doing a blog as well. If you want to check that out, let me know, and that will be linked in the comments. Enjoy, guys. Did a quick tour through the Dublin Castle. Got a bunch of cool pictures and videos. A little dance in the ballroom. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I think this is one of the only castles that we'll be seeing in Dublin, so I'll have to soak it all in. On the left here, this is St. Patrick's Park on here, and I'm assuming this is St. Patrick's Church, aka my church. Middle name's Patrick. Saint Amand.
1225. That place was built in 1225.
Ancient. Cool little church. I don't think we're gonna go in many things, kind of just walk around the mall.
Looks like us.
You know it's bad when the railing is almost as tall as her, and she has to sit on her tippy toes to get a picture.
I can stand on this. That's all I need, bitch.
Look at that. It's that eye height. Tough to be short. They have their own Mounties. The Jameson Whiskey Tour. It's in about 30 minutes, so you get a free drink beforehand. So me and Morgan got Jameson, lime, and ginger ale, and then you also get 3 whiskeys on the tour. Morgan will probably not.
I'll probably throw up.
Yeah, probably throw up or not drink them. So I'm about to get absolutely hammered. We also haven't eaten anything, so that's not a good thing.
We're not gonna be able to find our hostel.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of a mess. We still have a lot of walking to do. But
we're supposed to be going to a library.
Yeah, we have a library after this, so this should be interesting. But hopefully I can record in there. We'll see what there is. It's a full tour, so it should be really cool. So stay tuned.
Please, at your tables, open your bourbon cask and have a smell, and then open your... Okay, so, guys, I'm going to send you right up and into the middle for me. Thank you so much. Were you guys my non-alcoholic ticket?
No, hell no.
Just stop right in the middle for me there. Yeah, let's see. All good? You alright? Yeah, mind your step, guys. Yes, mind your step. Now, guys, here we are in tasting.
Yeah. No.
What are her tears like? Her tiers are lighter. I think it goes lightest to kind of heaviest
That one's
or
very
kind of
smooth.
thickest. Maybe you'll
No.
think Black Barrel is a bit syrupy, maybe you won't, but I think Select Reserve. Yeah. And she originally was released in South Africa, and then she became so popular that she's now worldwide.
That one's good too.
Yeah, but it's a brilliant song. Yeah, she's a queen.
Can't handle it.
On three, sláinte. 1, 2, 3.
Sláinte!
Beautiful.
Just finished up at the Jameson Distillery. It was a very cool experience. It was labeled the #1 tour, distillery tour in the world. Definitely can see that. It was a very good tour. Unfortunately, it was very dark in most places, so I couldn't really record. The whiskey was very good. Morgan had to slam them like shots because she couldn't really handle it.
I don't like whiskey, not that I can't handle it. I didn't throw up, so
It's a fair point. They did give us water, which helped her.
that was my chase. I chased with water.
Yeah, but it was very good. I would highly recommend that tour if anyone goes. It was $19 for students. Kind of just tell everyone you're students, and then you get a good discount.
Pub food with live music, say less.
I have achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe of me. You, I lose it all.
Just finished up dinner at the old store house. Good little Irish pub that we went to.
The live Irish music is great.
Good live Irish music. We're just on our way to a store called Sense, which I'm assuming is like our dollar store, because we have our...
It's like their grocery dollar store.
Yeah.
We're going on an adventure tomorrow, so we need some snacks. So we're gonna go pick them up at the cheap spot.
Yeah, try to save as much money as possible. What's the place called that we're going tomorrow?
Oh, the cliffs of Moher?
Moher.
I don't know how to pronounce that, but close
Beautiful
enough.
cliffs in Ireland. So today we'll probably this will probably be ending off today's vlog. We went and walked around, did a bunch of stuff as much as we could do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.
Good morning, everybody. This is day 3 of our Ireland adventure. We had a little tour booked to the cliffs of Moher that you can see behind us. And we got on the bus at 6:30-ish, and we took a bit of a drive, and now we're here.
Finishing up at the cliffs. Very cool sight to see. One of the main wonders of Ireland. Glad we could see it. As you can see, it's still there in the background. We're gonna head over to the service center, see if we can get some memorabilia. Visitor center, same thing. And then from there, we're gonna hop on the bus, and I'm not too sure
Galway.
where.
We're going to Galway.
Galloway. Not too sure what's there. What is there?
I don't know.
Then we're gonna find out, and we'll bring you along with us. believe our last stop on this tour is this town called Galloway. We have about 2 hours here, so we're going to tour around some Christmas markets and a bunch of pubs. He said there was a really good fish and chips place, and we have yet to get that. So I think we're going to try it out. Neither of us are big fish people, but we thought while we're here right beside the ocean, better try it out. Just finished up at the fish and chips place, McDonald's. Honestly, it wasn't terrible.
It wasn't great.
Morgan was not a fan, but definitely wouldn't eat it on repeatedly. Prefer my chicken over the fish, but had to try it out, so it wasn't bad at all. We're just gonna wander around here for a little bit. Good morning, everybody. It is our fourth and final day in Ireland. It is a travel day, so we were just at the airport. Unfortunately, last night I didn't vlog too much. We just went to a little pub after we hopped off the bus and watched the Canadian game. Unfortunately, they lost 1-0. Just gonna hop on the airplane and head over to Brussels. So this will probably be the end of the Ireland vlog. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know we had a lot of fun making it. Every vlog is going to be a lot of fun.
I got nothing.
So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe for the next one. Thank you for everybody for watching. We do appreciate every single one of you that like and subscribe and watch the videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.